Welcome to Meliora's channel, your go-to place for C# and data analysis tutorials, products hands-on demos, and insider secrets to keep you at the cutting edge of innovation. Our goal is to break down complex tech topics to a level that you will easily understand to supercharge your skills. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Okay, welcome. In today's lecture, we're going to be looking at the logic functions in Excel. So here they are. We have AND, OR, XOR, that's exclusive OR, and then NOT. So let's go right in. So for AND, this returns a Boolean value true if both arguments are as what you describe, or if both fit the condition. But remember, the equal to AND, let's say A2, we want you to be equal to true, logical value. And then we want B2 to be equal to true as well. Okay? And we see that we get a true here because both A2 and B2 do contain the value true. So that's what we're checking for. And let's just go ahead and fill this down so that the formula gets repeated into the other cells. Just go ahead and double click. Okay, so here we have true because both A and B are equal to true, but we can see that all these other ones we have false. And that's because AND only returns a true when both values satisfy the condition. So even if B to B over here is true, because A is not true, it's false, then it's going to return a false because for it to return true, both of them must be true. So that's the AND. Then we have OR. Okay. So here we have OR, A2 equal to true, comma B2 equal to true. Now, let's see the difference. Again, let's go ahead and fill down. Double click when you see your mouse becomes like this. Okay, so now OR, unlike AND, will return a Boolean true when either or of the two values satisfy the condition. So we're saying here, return the Boolean value true if A or B is equal to true. So here we have A false, but B is true. And here we have B false, but A is true. So we see true, true, true until here where both of them are false, and then we get a false. Then we have the exclusive OR. Okay. So we can see some differences. So the exclusive OR will return true when either A or B satisfy the condition, but false if neither of them satisfy the condition, or if both of them satisfy the condition. That's why it's the exclusive OR. So there it is. So we can see here when both of them satisfy the condition, it's returning a false. When neither of them satisfy the condition, it's also returning a false. But when either or satisfy the condition, it's now returning the value true. And then not, I believe it's one of the easiest. So it simply checks if the value is not. So let me just, unlike the other ones, let's just put in, one input. So A2 equals true. Okay, so we can see we're checking if not A2 is equal to true, so we're checking if A is equal to false, so we get false. And if we go down like that, so here the a variable here is false, so we get not equals to true because we're testing whether it's not true, so whether it's false, and that's what we're getting here. So anywhere a is equals to true with the not, is going to return a false because we're checking for it to be not this value here. Okay, so that is it for the logicals and, or, exclusive, or, and not.
Thank you for watching, and if you learned something new or enjoyed this video, be sure to show us support by clicking like and subscribe. Your support helps us to bring you even better content, so stay tuned for the next exciting video. You can also click the link below to see other free and paid videos on other exciting topics. If the click did not work, kindly copy the link and paste on your browser. Thank you, and see you in the next video.